In this tutorial, I'll show you to create this cubic snake mesh in 6 minutes. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. E to extrude. In edit mode, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's bevel the curve. Select a curve point, and press Alt+S to shrink it. The idea is to use this mesh as a reference object, and coil another curve around it. Bounce spline would do just that, but the bounce spline only work on a mesh, not curve. We must convert the curve to mesh before applying the bounce spline. Shift-D to duplicate the original curve if you like. Let's right-click and convert the curve to mesh first. Too much bounces would generate way too many vertices, and that's not good. That will do. The idea is to bevel this curve, convert to mesh, and apply the hair particles. I'll show you what I mean. We'll be using the default cube as the hair object. This is the basic idea. Then we would only keep the cubic snake and remove everything else. I'll rotate the mesh a bit, and set up the render scene. I'll create a ground plane. Then I'll extrude 2 edges upward and type F to fill. The default HDRI would look good enough, but I'll use the sky texture to light the scene. I'll turn off use nodes. I'll render the scene in cycles with 32 samples. Let's hide the source cube from the final render image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.